बनारसी प्योर हैंडलूम कोरा ऑर्गेन्जा सिल्क मार्क्ड सर्टिफाइड, satin patta border, on that antique zari woven. Bhishom sundar sari, what all the ladies in the life nowadays are saying. Bright orange with bright reddish blood red, you can say. And this comes the blouse piece, silver and gold zari woven bootas, and this is the blouse piece. The rich pallu in carry design. बहुत सुंदर साड़ी, एक्सट्रीमली ब्यूटीफुल. बनारसी प्योर हैंडलूम कोरा ऑर्गेन्जा सिल्क मार्क सर्टिफाइड, ब्यूटीफुल गार्नेट शेड, द रिच पल्लू, then this kadua weaved lehriya pattern weaving with the satin patta border, one silver and one gold, which is also known as Sona Rupa. Half sari comes in this lehriya pattern, and before pleats it will come like this, small booties, and blouse is also in booties. Blouse is running, given like booties and border. This is the look of the sari. Kora organza silk marked certified, beautiful shade olive green color, the rich pallu in golden zari, fully kadwa weaved sari. You can see the look of the sari. Half sari till pleats you will get this lehriya pattern in Sona Rupa weaved with the satin patta border, and before pleats this booties pattern. This booties pattern will come, and the blouse is also running attached. If you want to wear it on contrast blouse, you can, without cutting the blouse piece. The pleats will come many, and this is the look of the whole sari. Silk marked certified pure Kora organza. Banarsi pure handloom Kora organza silk marked certified, deep green color. This is the deepest shade of green with the Sona Rupa kadwa weaved lehriya pattern, rich palla. Till pleats you will get this lehriya pattern, and before pleats this booties pattern, kadwa weaved booties and border, satin patta border. Blouse isn't running. If you want to cut you can, or else can be worn on contrast blouse also. Banarsi pure handloom Kora organza silk marked certified, weaved on satin patta border, and on that antique zari. Lovely sari with the Sona Rupa weaving of buta, silver and gold. The shaded, lovely shaded dye. Extremely premium quality sari with the carry motifs on the pallu, and blouse is in singa color. This is the blouse piece, plain with border. Very heavy quality sari of premium Kora organza Banarasi silk marked certified. Banarsi pure handloom Kora organza silk marked certified, weaved on satin patta border, and on that antique zari woven butas border. Lovely Sona Rupa weaved butas all over the sari. The rich carry design pallu, very heavy quality. You can see the fabric quality with the shaded dye, and this is the blouse piece. Banarsi pure handloom Kora organza silk marked certified, beautiful border on kadwa weaving, no backside threads, with the beautiful motifs and the lovely vibrant color. Sona Rupa motifs, silver and gold, and the rich carry design pallu with the blouse in contrast. This is the look of the sari. You can see very heavy quality, silk marked certified pure Kora organza Banarasi.